Hey guys, so today I'm going to be opening Tokidoki Blind boxes, and I have a bunch that I'm going to open, and the reason why I have a bunch is because there's this Sanrio and Tokidoki collab they did, and they had blind boxes, and it has the little Sanrio characters riding the little unicorns, and so my mom bought 2 of those for me, and this is what I got. These 2 right here. And these are all options, or all the ones that came in the box that you might get. And I got 2 of the same little twin stars. I got Kiki. And yeah, also I have this little Tokidoki collection here, with a bunch of stuff. Most of it is from blind boxes. And then I also have my bed over here that has Tokidoki cover and a pillow. And then those paintings I made as well. So now I'm going to go open the blind boxes. So here is the box that all of the blind boxes came in. Here's the tissue paper. And then here are all the blind boxes that I got. And 3 of them are the, so it says Unicornno X Hello Kitty and Friends. Okay, I called it Sanrio, but I was right. It was Hello Kitty, technically. So I have 3 of those. There. And then I have a Gudetama, I think that's how you say it. Series 1, Tokidoki as well. I have a little Gudetama squishy here. That's kind of the only little Gudetama stuff I have. And then 2 of these little milk carton ones that say Mufia Breakfast Besties Series 2. And then there's the front. They're actually juice boxes. Okay. I guess they're supposed to be milk and juice boxes. I don't know. Because it says Mufia, so I would think a cow. And then there's a bunch of stickers here. Or 2. This one's a big sticker. And we have this one, this little ramen. Now I'm going to start opening the boxes, and I think I'm going to save the Hello Kitty ones for last. But I forgot to mention, but my mom bought all this for me because she felt bad that I got duplicates in my other one. So she decided to get me a few. So hopefully I don't get any duplicates in these. I'm going to start with the Gudetama Series 1. And I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 different ones I could get. A bunch of different varieties. I'm gonna see which one I think I want. Probably one of the dog ones. These ones are actually pretty similar. I don't know what chaser means. Maybe that's like a special one. And then there's also this one here. And then the other dog. But I would be happy with some of the other ones too. And since there's only one of these, I can't get any duplicates. Let me just cut the cardboard. There you go. And here's the bag, and then this is just a little like pamphlet that has all of them as well. And then I didn't really see what this information on the side says, but it says like Tokidoki means sometimes in Japanese, so that's pretty interesting. Let's see. Ooh, it's clear. That's actually pretty cool. Let me place it down. But yeah, I didn't know that would be clear, because I think the rest of them that are like white, maybe those ones are clear too, since this one is. But yeah, that's kind of cool. Oh, she has a little egg in her hair. I didn't see that. Okay, so now on to the next one. I'm pretty happy with that one. Next I'm going to do this juice box one. Okay. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 10 in this one. There's more that I could get. So hopefully less chance of me getting duplicates. And these ones actually have names. The other ones didn't. And these, I'm assuming chaser does mean like they're more special ones, because these ones also have like a little chaser next to them. Not too sure. But I think my favorite ones that I would want are the Pop-Tart, which is that one. Has a little dog on it. And maybe one of the milk ones. There's 2 milk ones. There's this one. I'm not sure how to pronounce that first word. Latte, and then sweetie. Let's see. I don't know if I open it like a regular milk carton. I'm just gonna rip open like this, yeah. Okay, yeah, that worked. It was a lot cleaner than the last one. And then here's the same little pamphlet that says all the stuff. And then I guess every blind box has like this little information thing on the side. This one says something different. I think this one feels like one of the milk ones, maybe. It feels pretty tiny. Oh, it's actually Miss Tropical. Oops. Oh, it's gonna stand up. Okay, there we go. Yeah, that one's actually pretty nice. And it kind of fits since it's almost summer. Oh, and the shades are kind of shiny too. Didn't notice that. But yeah, I like the colors on this one. And it's like pineapple juice. I'm going to set that aside next to this one. And then I'm going to open the next one. Hopefully it's not the same one. But yeah, I like this box a lot better since it's a lot easier to open. Same little pamphlet. This one feels, I think, bigger? I don't know, it feels like the same shape, which makes me scared that it's the same thing. Okay, it's not. It's a different color. They look like little animal crackers, but they call them like animal cookies. Now let's see, what is this one named? Sneaky Snacker. Yeah, that one's pretty cute. I like to eat animal crackers a lot, so I like how they're like all coming out of the box. Okay. Now on to the next blind boxes. The last series, the Hello Kitty one. And then these ones also have 10. Yeah. I'm just going to open it so I can show which ones come in the box. It'll be the same pamphlet as the other one. Yeah, these ones always have to like try and open with scissors. Because I don't want to ruin my nails. Let me get this out. And I didn't really look at these ones too much. But I think the ones that I would want are obviously like the Hello Kitty one. And then the one, oh, I don't ever know how to pronounce the name of, but it's the Pom Purin, I think. The little yellow one is pretty cute. And then like maybe My Melody. And if I get the other twin star, Lala, I think that would be nice, so I have matching. But yeah, the other ones are pretty cute as well. As long as they're not duplicates again. They're all gonna feel the same size since they're pretty much the same design. Okay, this is a different one. This one's a pom-pom one. Oops, I was showing the wrong way. It looks a lot more yellow here than it does on the box. I thought it was gonna be like a more pastel yellowy, but I guess this is what it looks like. It looks pretty cute either way. I'm not sure what it's supposed to be. And then it has a little thing on the front too, and a little hat.
Well, it looks like they're wearing a beret.
A beret?
A French beret.
And then on the side here, oh, there's two. Has little like dog bones. I don't know, maybe it's supposed to be a dog. Yeah, I think it's supposed to be. And then the other side has this design too. Yeah, but based on how it looks, I think it's supposed to be a dog. Because like based off here, like the little nose. So that's pretty cute. I'm going to place that there. Time for next two. Okay, let's see. I'm going to cut it open this way and open it. Is it a duplicate? Oh! It's another clear one. That's funny. Considering that I got the Gudetama one. They're matching now. And this one's a different design one. It has a little egg here sitting on the back. And then there's an egg laying down. Oh, it has a little, like, donut headband. And is, like, laying in a blanket of bacon. And then this one's laying in a donut. Which are kind of the ones that were on this blind box. Now that I look at it. Like, see, we have the one laying on the donut here. That pretty much looks the exact same. So, yeah. That's nice. Now I have these two matching. And time for the last box. Have to use scissors again. There we go. This one feels a bit bigger. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Oh, it's a different color. Ooh, it's purple. I thought this was like more blue. I'm trying to look at the name of this one. Kiromi? Yeah, it's this one here. I'm not sure if I have any, like, collectible items of any of the other ones. No, I don't think so. It's mainly just Hello Kitty ones. But yeah, this one's really nice. I like the color on it because it's a purple. And then there's the design on the other side. And I'm not sure what this one is supposed to technically be. Maybe it's supposed to be a cat. I'm not too sure. The ears make it confusing, but I would have to look it up because I'm not sure. But yeah, I'm really happy with the stuff I got in the blind boxes. I'm really happy I didn't get any duplicates. I'm happy I kind of got these two matching clear design ones. And then these ones are kind of matching too, because I think the other ones that came in this box, yeah, they're all different. So some of them weren't like a juice box thing. I'm trying to see. I didn't get any of the chaser ones, which I'm assuming are just more rare. And also, I've never seen this one before either. Like, usually I know all the other Sanrio ones. Like when I got my Animal Crossing little Sanrio cards. Like, I knew all the Frog, the Melody, Pom Pom, like Hello Kitty, Twin Stars. I even seen this one. But yeah, I don't know what that little fish one is. But it's a chaser one. But yeah, here's all the ones that I got, and now I'm actually going to show you what my brother got as well, also from Tokidoki. So before I show what my brother got, I was trying to look at like my whole Hello Kitty shelf over there. This is the only thing I could find that had like one of the characters, little Pom Pom one. And I think they always have their little like buddy with them. I don't know if that's the same one. They look kind of similar, but this one has like a little mark on its face. This one on a card. But yeah, that's all I could really find besides the Sanrio cards I was talking about. So I'm going to show what he got. And these ones are like, they come in little comic book boxes, and then you open it and it has different characters. And it's the Marvel and Tokidoki collab. So in this one we have Loki. Then you open it and it has him in there. I think that's pretty cool. Cool way to keep it. And then they're also kind of like keychain. And then the next one we have is Red Skull, or the Red Skull. That one's nice. And then we have Daredevil. And then I couldn't tell, but I think they have like the same comic book pages. Yeah, they all have the same like comic strips in them. I thought they were all going to be different. And then the last one we got is the Vision. So yeah, I think these are pretty cute. You can sort of just set them up like this. Or I wonder if I don't know if you can take them out of the box. No, you can't take them out. That would be cool if you could. So yeah, that is all the Tokidoki Blindbox stuff that I got and my brother got. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.